Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to Nintacos, where we talk about Nintendo. My name is Senior Taco, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some old footage of some keycaps that I made. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and let me know if you guys have any recommendations for any potential keycaps to make later on, because if I find a good one, I might just give it a go. So anyways, I'll see you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Bye-bye. Okay, guys. Excuse me. So today I've been working on a little Ampharos. I'm going to make a shiny Ampharos. I made everything out of basically toothpicks. And this is kind of what I have so far. It looks kind of funky. But having to glue everything together has been really difficult. I've painted him an off pink because I want to make him, like I said, shiny. And hopefully everything comes out right. Yesterday I made this, which I should have recorded in hindsight, but you know, it is what it is. It's a little Snorlax on a bridge. It kind of looks smushed. Well, because I had to smush him. But yeah, he looks really nice. So I will let you know how all of this turns out. Hopefully, my camera is dying right now, so I'm going to try to charge it and give you guys an update. Let me see if I can get a better view on it. There we go. So that's kind of what he looks like. Here's his little tail, as you guys can see. And yeah. He's basically made out of toothpicks, and for his legs, I used these little clock parts that I had right here. I'll show you guys which ones his legs are made out of. All of his legs are made out of this little thing right there, which I basically cut I used this one straight up like that for the front legs, and the back legs I basically cut off like this top square right here, and I used that to make his legs, give the legs the little design that they have, or the little shape that they have. So I'm gonna continue on it, and we'll see how far I can get. Hopefully it looks good. I think he's gonna barely fit in there, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know. So as of right now, I have this other Ampharos that I'm making. I decided to paint the first one shiny, and the second one's gonna be the regular Ampharos. And I sculptured it. Here's basically, before I painted it, I wanted to show you guys what the heck was going on. So that's basically how I made it out of toothpicks. Let's see if I can zoom up actually by taking the camera off. There we go. So let me put it back on the thing. Here we go. I'll show you guys from other sides with my little tiny forceps, or whatever they're called. So I'm sorry, that's blurry. So basically it's all made out of toothpick, as you guys can see, except for those little metal bits that I was talking to you guys about. Even the little itty bitty ears. I try to make the face better this time than the previous one, and I added a weird little neck. So we'll see how it comes out in the end. I'll set that there. It's a little bigger than the other one too, so we'll see how that goes. They're basically gonna be snuggling. Oh, several hours later, here they are. This is both of them. I don't know if you guys can see them really well or not. I'm trying to focus the camera. It's not on autofocus, unfortunately. But there they are, painted and everything. So yeah, the one on the right came out a little better because I now have experience making it. So it's just like all essentially just one toothpick that I like folded in the right spots, as you guys had seen, up to where its neck begins, and then I used a little smaller toothpick and then back. So essentially, this part right here was connected to the part right here, and there's a little neck that you can hardly see in there. That little piece right here. This, let me just show you this. So that little black piece right there with the little stripes, that I added in there. And look, you can see it fairly well now. So now I just need to color up a little. I've already casted the base of this. That's what I do essentially. So like there's some resin on there, rosin. So resin, and then I just need to paint it, and then I need to put them both on here, and then cast the whole thing. So I think I'm gonna do that. I don't know if today, tomorrow, but yeah, I'm tired. I've been working on this for quite some time now, so I think I'm gonna call it a day for right now. Anyways, I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Okay, so this is basically the final product right here. I added the little trees and stuff. That's essentially what it's gonna look like in the key, hopefully. So this is gonna be pressed down a little bit. I need to figure out how to fill this moss with resin, and I have some moss in the back as well, as you can see right there by the tree. And with any luck, everything will come out right, but we'll see right here in a second. Well, here it is in the curing process. Let's see if I can get a better shot of this. This looks freaking awesome, guys. It's so cute. And the trees really like glow, like underneath the light. Wow. This is it. Basically what it's gonna look like. There's a little bubble between regular Ampharos's ears, but it's hardly noticeable. So I'll show you guys the finished product right now. Alright guys, so here we have the final product. Little Ampharos. Top got a little messed up because of the moss that's included inside, but that's fine. You can still see it clearly from the top and from the side. I don't know if there we go. So let me know what you guys think regarding my little keys, and I'll upload some more, I suppose, in the future. Yeah. Alright guys, have yourselves a good one. Bye bye.